Well, folks, my apologies here. Um, I'm not going to be able to film this whole thing tonight. I'm on a time crush. Uh, Hold on. I'm right here by the generator. But yes, I'm on a time crunch right now. I am completely out of water in my trailer, so I can't wash the dishes, and I can't even flush the toilet. And I need to, believe me. So I'm not going to film this entirely. I'm just going to film little bits. I have my water. I got to make sure my water is on tonight. If I don't, I'm stuck. I can't wash up. I can't go to the bathroom. So here we go. I'm going to give you a quick explanation here. This valve right here is threaded, as you can see right here, and this little gadget fits onto it. Well, that's great. That's all fine and dandy in theory. These two I've already done. This one I have to do. And then this one is nothing like the others. The thread is different. The size of the valve is different. So I kind of got uh, to use an old English term, jerry rig this one. I got this little gadget here. It's like a rubber connection, and the hose that's going to go in there like that. Hold on. Yep, that's going to go in there like that. This goes on here. It's like a big hose clamp or Jubilee clip if you're English. That's going to be tightened up, and that will hold that whole thing in place. And then, of course, I bring the um, the water into this pipe. That pipe goes out, down underground, and comes out right here. And when I turn that tap, water should come out. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to quickly let you watch this little bit while I do this, and then I'm going to have to switch it off because I'm out of battery, and I got to get going. I'm out of time here. All right. Okay. So I got to get my PTFE tape. I am going to sit because it's more comfortable for me. And forgive me if I occasionally use an expletive because sometimes this is a pain in the friggin' ass. So here we go. Let's get the tape on first. We'll do a few wraps with that. There we go. And oops, wrong way. Let's find the thread first. Back turn it. There we go till we find the thread. And screw it on. And this is not so easy. It's got to go on a good inch or 25 millimeters to make sure that it's completely screwed up. And of course, I don't have a wrench this big, so I got to do it by hand. Good grief. Well, I'm going to have forearms like Popeye by the time I'm done. Because this takes some grip strength. Okay. All right. That one is in, that one is in, that one is in, and that one is in. Now I have this little adapter that goes in like that. That glues in. I have to cut a piece of pipe off. That goes in there. And then this whole thing, these 4 tanks will be all connected up in a row so that we can then do that thing, as they say. I need a connector there. I'm 1 connector short. Damn it. Okay, so maybe tonight we're just gonna get 1 tank running. See how we go from there. The cut, T-boned in, and there I am stuck to go